what the best part is? You can see my teeth.
Yep.
You make me. We can see your smile all of a sudden. And you know what? Have you been neglecting your teeth?
Possibly.
Well, now that we don't have to wear our masks anymore, I'm sure you're looking at your teeth going, oh, maybe need a little pick-me-up. And there is nothing better than coming in and getting a professional teeth whitening. There's so many great home things, but you know what? You want to jumpstart it here at Mod Dentistry. Meet Marianne.
So basically the in-office whitening is really, really easy. We do all the hard work for you. You just come in, lay back and relax. It's a good way to kickstart your color. You get really, really great results in a short amount of time. And most patients don't have the time at home to do the trays and the daily whitening. So you would just make an appointment, we schedule something for you, you come in, you leave with whiter teeth. Typically we base about an hour. Sometimes we do break up the appointment into 2 sessions.
Yeah.
Everyone's just different. So we just kind of take a look at, you know, the base color we're starting with, and then we will accommodate.
Okay, so 2 questions. How many shades can I expect to get whiter?
Well, you're already pretty white, so I would anticipate at least 2 shades whiter.
That is amazing. Yeah. What is the typical sensitivity for this?
So we use Glow, which is our in-office whitening. We have really, really great results with very limited sensitivity. Sometimes we break up the appointments just to avoid sensitivity.
Yeah.
That way there's little to no sensitivity.
And you guys get 20% off when you come in here and mention Lifestyle Jewels on your teeth whitening. They have the state-of-the-art equipment. I had to get a crown. They did it same day right here. I mean, what could be better than that? They do all the cosmetic dentistry. So with becoming a patient, you get free teeth whitening trays and the gel for life, so that you can keep your teeth white in between. Oh yeah? I mean, who says the dentist is not fun?
I know, right?
That's gonna mean we